Introducing the Poonam Header Assembly, a complete irrigation control solution designed for efficiency, durability, and precise water management. Available in multiple sizes, 2-inch, 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch, this system is built to suit a wide range of farm sizes and irrigation requirements. Engineered with corrosion and wear-resistant brass threads, it ensures strong connections, long life, and reliable performance even under tough field conditions. This is not just a product. It's a complete, integrated system that combines all essential irrigation components into one compact unit. The system ensures uniform water distribution, maintaining consistent pressure and flow across all outlets, helping prevent overwatering and dry zones, and improving overall crop performance. With its multi-outlet design, it allows efficient water distribution across large areas, making it ideal for both small farms and large agricultural operations. Manufactured using high-quality polypropylene and engineering-grade materials, the assembly offers excellent resistance to chemicals, fertilizers, and environmental wear, ensuring long-lasting durability. Designed for low maintenance, the system features smooth internal surfaces and efficient filtration that help prevent clogging and reduce downtime. Available in both threaded and flanged connections, it offers easy compatibility with different pipeline setups, making installation quick, secure, and hassle-free. Poonam Header Unit, engineered for flexibility, control, and reliable irrigation performance. The Poonam Header Unit is designed to deliver maximum flexibility and control in your irrigation system. It comes with a dedicated outlet that allows easy installation of hydrocyclone filters, disc filters, or screen filters, giving you the freedom to configure your filtration system exactly as per your farm's requirements. Comes with various accessories in the set, providing everything you need for a complete and ready-to-install solution. Poonam, the trust of farmers.